If you've got yourself a Ruger 1022 and you're looking to boost both its style and shooting capability, then these upgrades are going to take your setup from basic to custom in no time. Whether you're hunting for precision, aesthetics, or both, these mods will help you build a truly unique rimfire rig. One of the best upgrades to instantly enhance the look and performance of your Ruger 1022 is swapping out the factory stock. For serious shooters who want to bring their rifle into the precision game, the MDT Oryx chassis is a top-tier choice. Originally designed for bolt-action centerfire rifles, the Oryx has since been adapted for popular rimfire platforms, including the legendary RUGER 1022. This aluminum chassis system is rugged, competition-ready, and designed to squeeze every bit of accuracy out of your rifle. Expect to pay around $400 just for the stock, but that price tag reflects real value. You're getting an integrated aluminum bedding system that ensures your receiver is locked in tight with zero flex. The chassis includes thoughtful features you'd expect from a professional-grade precision rig: an integrated barricade stop located just in front of the magwell, a flat fore-end with M-lock slots for attaching bipods or weights, and compatibility with standard AR-style grips so you can tailor it to your preference. It also includes a spacer-based length of pull adjustment and a fully adjustable cheek riser to get your eye perfectly aligned with whatever optic you're running. With a solid 10-22 action and quality glass, this setup can get you competition ready for your first rimfire PRS match for under $1,100. Now, if you're trying to take your Ruger 1022 to the next level in terms of fun and stealth, there's a barrel setup that lets you keep things quiet without adding bulk. Enter the Vanquish 22 barrel from Angstadt Arms. This isn't your average suppressor. It's a unique, integrally suppressed stainless steel barrel that brings the noise way down while keeping your rifle sleek. It features an 18.5-inch match-grade barrel with a 1 in 16 twist and a precision bench chamber. The design includes an aluminum outer sleeve that not only looks slick with its bull barrel profile, but also houses internal venting that lets gas escape through a series of ports. The outer shell contains that gas and suppresses the report without the length and cleaning hassle of a traditional suppressor. No risk of baffle strikes either. According to Angstadt, even high-velocity .22 long rifle ammunition sounds like subsonic rounds when fired through this system. That makes a big difference if you're shooting in the backyard or at a quiet range. The Vanquish 22 is compatible with any Ruger 10-22 receiver that accepts a bull barrel, but be aware it won't fit most factory stocks. You'll likely need an aftermarket stock with a wider barrel channel. It comes in 3 finishes: black, silver, and flat dark earth. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $599, which is pretty reasonable for what you're getting: accuracy, sound suppression, and a cleaner shooting experience all rolled into one. Tandem Cross recently rolled out a standout addition to their already deep lineup of Ruger 1022 upgrades, the Manticore X. This lower assembly is built to integrate directly with your factory Ruger 1022 receiver, effectively combining the trigger group and chassis into one streamlined unit. That fusion not only simplifies field stripping and maintenance, but also brings several creature comforts along for the ride, like a folding buttstock, an AR-15 style pistol grip, and even a familiar fire selector. One of the biggest advantages for frequent shooters is how accessible this setup makes cleaning and upkeep. Thanks to the open-top receiver design, it's easy to get inside the action for a deep scrub, no need for specialty tools or an armorer's bench. The self-contained pin system that connects the upper and lower makes disassembly straightforward, and it's compatible with both fixed barrel and takedown variants of the 1022, whether you're running OEM parts or aftermarket receivers. If you've got a complete rifle already, swapping over is easy. Just pull it out of its current stock, remove the original trigger housing, and install the Manticore X. Instantly, your trusty plinker transforms into a high-performance rimfire platform with precision controls, and an adjustable competition-style trigger, ergonomic grip, and folding stock all in one go. As fun as the Ruger 1022 is to shoot, let's be honest, it's always been a pain to take apart for cleaning. That's where the open Top 11 22 receiver from Fletcher Rifle Works comes into play. As the name suggests, this receiver is engineered to give you fast, tool-free access to the internal components via a removable top plate. Machined from a solid block of aluminum and equipped with stainless steel hardware, this upgraded receiver features a clever sliding top cover that grants access to the bolt group without needing to fully tear down the rifle. There's a small handle on the left side and a captured pin system that keeps everything secure. Slide the pin, push the plate back toward the rear stock, and just like that, you can pull out the bolt for a proper cleaning. Up front, you'll find an integrated 3 3/4-inch optics, rail perfect for red dot sights. If you want to run a longer scope for precision work, Fletcher offers an extended top plate that stretches the rail to 9 inches. While this design was built with cleaning in mind, it really shines when you're dealing with those annoying rimfire failures. Whether it's a stuck case or a failure to extract, the open top design gives you a direct line to the chamber, making it easy to clear jams and get back to shooting. Pop the magazine, lock the bolt, release the top plate, and now you've got clear, easy access to the chamber for removing any stubborn spent shells. Desert Tech is well known for producing some of the most innovative bullpup precision rifles on the market, so it's no shock they've applied that same compact design philosophy to the Ruger 1022. Their chassis system, called the Trek, turns your standard rimfire rifle into a sleek, space-saving powerhouse. Once you drop your 10-22 barreled action into the Trek, the receiver shifts backward beneath your cheek rest, shaving several inches off the total length. That makes it a prime candidate for a backpack rifle or compact truck gun. To expand its functionality, the Trek features M-LOK compatible slots on the fore-end for accessories and a Picatinny rail that runs from the top of the trigger guard all the way forward. The chassis is a clamshell design which securely sandwiches the barreled action between two halves, fastened together with roughly a dozen screws positioned around the frame. Just like in a true bullpup layout, magazines are inserted just behind the pistol grip. And to keep you loaded and ready, the Trek has built-in storage recesses that hold 2 additional rotary-style 1022 magazines. Much like Desert Tech's centerfire lineup, the Trek is rugged, well-built, and engineered for real-world use. The price tag sits right around what you'd spend on the rifle itself. But considering the quality, features, and the sheer fun factor it brings to the table, it's definitely worth a look for serious rimfire fans. Now, if you're running optics on your setup, and let's be honest, most of us are the Advantage charging handle and Picatinny rail combo from Tandem Cross is an upgrade worth every penny. This setup quickly became one of my go-to accessories. It's not just a rock-solid platform for mounting a red dot or scope. It also gives you ambidextrous charging capability with a slick left side handle. Better yet, this charging handle is non-reciprocating, unlike the factory option, and the installation process is simple with 0 permanent alterations to your rifle. The assembly is made from 6061 aluminum with a clean, matte, black finish. And all steel components like the spring and rail keep things running smooth. A Zytel base ensures your receiver's finish stays protected, while a plastic sleeve prevents metal-on-metal contact with your factory charging handle. The rail measures 4.5 inches long and features 9 slots for optimal positioning. Tandem cross-beveled both ends for a cleaner look and easier optic mounting. A central groove cuts down weight, but keep in mind this rail sits a bit high if you're planning on using iron sights. This setup probably isn't for you. But let's be honest, if you're putting this on your gun, you're not looking to shoot irons anyway. If there's one upgrade that will have the biggest impact on the way your Ruger 1022 performs, it's the barrel, and Volkartsen makes one of the best in the business. Their lightweight open-sight carbon fiber barrel is built for shooters who want both accuracy and fast handling. The inner barrel is made from stainless steel and then encased in a tensioned carbon fiber sleeve. The design creates an air gap between the steel core and outer wrap, helping the barrel stay cool during rapid fire. The rigidity of the carbon fiber allows Volkartsen to tension the barrel, reducing harmonics and improving shot consistency, something you won't get from standard factory profiles. The 16 3/4-inch barrel includes a laser-hardened breech and a 1-in-16 twist rate, making it ideal for standard and high-velocity .22 long rifle ammunition. Open sights come pre-installed, with a rugged XSS ghost ring at the rear and a fiber optic front sight from Williams Gun Sight Company, available in red or green. The barrel is also threaded at the muzzle for those who want to run a suppressor or other muzzle device, and it comes with a thread protector for when nothing's attached. Few barrels on the market deliver this level of accuracy enhancement for a 1022. It's a serious performance piece for shooters who demand more from their rimfire rifles.